Dreaming of a stunning porcelain tile countertop for your kitchen? Porcelain is a fantastic choice, boasting exceptional durability, resistance to stains, scratches, and heat. Its design versatility and seamless aesthetic make it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Create your dream kitchen with porcelain tile countertops. Here are 5 inspiring ideas for your porcelain kitchen countertops. First, consider combining white porcelain with bold colors. This contrast can create a visually striking statement and inject personality into your kitchen. Second, why not opt for large format slabs? These can give your kitchen a grand and elegant look. Third, embrace patterns. Patterns on your porcelain countertops add a personalized touch, making your kitchen truly one of a kind. Fourth, use unique cuts for a custom design. With porcelain, you have the freedom to cut your countertops in unique shapes for a design that stands out. Lastly, create a modern look with a waterfall edge and integrated sink. This sleek design can give your kitchen a contemporary edge, making it a space where you'll love to spend time. These ideas will transform your kitchen into a space you'll love. But before you make your decision, here are some factors to consider. Porcelain countertops are cost-efficient, but always consider your budget. Make sure the design complements your kitchen's overall aesthetic. And remember, porcelain is a long-term investment due to its superior longevity. Its low maintenance requirements are a bonus, but don't forget the installation process. It requires professional handling, so factor in the cost and time. And finally, consider the expertise of your supplier and installer. For top-quality porcelain countertops, contact NorthWest Stone Fabricators. We assure durability and beauty in every slab. Explore a wide range of options with us and bring your dream kitchen to life.